Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Level 2 Beauty Loop Box for July, so let's get into it. So here's a little card that shows basically all the products. And this is what's in here. Ooh, what is this? This is the Red Clean Skincare Ever Calm Protect Day Cream. Formulated to relieve and hydrate sensitive and reactive skin, this cream alleviates the look of redness and irritation. Apply to the face and neck after cleansing in the morning and evening. So yeah. That looks really good, and I love that it's a really big sample as well. Next, we have this bright red one. Looks like a YSL lip product. It is the Serum Tatouage. I don't know how to say that. Tatouage. Couture Liquid Matte Lip Stain in Rouge Tortue. That's really an impossible name. A flexible red matte lip stain that delivers up to 8 hours of transfer-free wear. Apply using the doe foot applicator starting in the middle of the lips. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Whoa, that's instant color payoff right there. Cannot wait to try that out. I have never owned anything YSL, so I am so keen to try this. Next, we have this RMS Beauty product. It is a Beauty Bronzer, an ultra sheer cream bronzer formulated to deliver a subtle skin, sun-kissed glow. Blend under the cheekbones, around the temples, and over the eyes using a finger or brush. So it's just, you know, a single use sort of, I'm assuming it's a cream product. I mean, by the looks of this, it's probably a cream product. But yeah, I've never used anything from RMS Beauty, so yeah. But I wish we did get bigger samples than something like that. And last but not certainly least, we have another sachet sample. It is the New Face Fix Line Smoothing Serum. Supercharged with peptides, this serum will plump expression lines and lock in hydration. Likely tap the pearl-sized amount around the eyes, lips, and forehead, and apply over makeup when skin needs a boost. So I don't think I'd apply that over makeup, but definitely something I'm willing to give a shot. Hopefully we can get a couple of uses out of the sachet. But yeah, again, I wish we did get bigger samples. Like these ones are bigger samples, but you know, they're kind of like a rip-off, you know? But yeah, that's basically all I got in my level 2 box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you got in your box. I'd love to know what level 1s and level 3s got. Or if you're a level 2, what did you get differently? I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.